Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here's a short video of some of the visitors I've had on my build site. I'm building an 8x12 shed. Once that's completed, I'll be releasing that video. And after that, I'll be filming more videos, camping, gear reviews. I'm really looking forward to that. If you're subscribed, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Stick around. There'll be a lot of great videos to come. It just takes time to make them. Enjoy the rest of this video and all the critters and wildlife that visit my site throughout my build. Thanks for watching.